Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're having a review at Replit AI. Replit AI is an advanced AI-powered coding assistant integrated directly into the Replit online IDE. It's designed for developers, students, and hobbyists who want real-time coding help without leaving their browser. With its AI pair programmer, you can build, debug, and ship code faster across multiple languages and frameworks. Speaking of features, it has an AI pair programming. You can get intelligent code suggestions, auto-completion, and explanation as you type. Multi-language support works with Python, JavaScript, HTML and CSS, C++, and many other languages. You can select any block of code and let Replit AI explain it in plain language. You can quickly detect and fix bugs by asking the AI what's wrong with the code, and you can write natural language prompts to generate functions, boilerplate code, or even entire projects. And with its in-browser collaboration feature, you can combine Replit AI with multiplayer editing to work with teammates in real time. And also ideal for beginners to understand syntax, algorithms, and programming logic. But anything has a drawbacks, so it has an accuracy issue. Like most AI coding assistants, suggestions aren't always correct and may require manual debugging. The most powerful features require the Replit Pro plan or paid AI tokens, so it's limited and free access. Not a replacement for learning. Beginners might become overly reliant on AI instead of learning coding fundamentals. And finally, in larger projects, AI responses can slow down compared to lightweight editors. So overall, Replit AI is a powerful coding companion that makes programming more accessible and efficient, especially for quick prototyping and learning. While it isn't perfect and shouldn't replace actual coding knowledge, it's a fantastic tool for speeding up workflows, debugging, and understanding code. If you're already a Replit user, enabling Replit AI can significantly improve your development experience. It's great for students, beginners, and developers looking for faster code iteration. And it's not ideal for you if you want to complete offline control or dislike subscription-based features. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.